Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to adopt your course material as part of Triton One, launching in fall of 2026. Triton One is a university-wide program that will provide UC San Diego students with access to their required textbooks and course packs at a flat rate. Most materials will be provided in a digital format on Canvas and will be available to students no later than the first day of classes. Remember, this is a digital-first program and instructors are encouraged to adopt digital materials. However, traditional books are also a part of the program. So let's get started. You will receive an email from vitalsource.ucsd.edu with a link to log in. When you log into the Collect system, you will see a page showing all your courses that require adoptions. Courses are organized into two groups, those that need adoptions and those that are completed. To get started, click on a course card. In the window that opens, select the sections that you would like to work on, either one at a time or by clicking Select All. Then click Next. From here, choose whether you need to add materials. If you do, select Yes. If no materials are required for this course, select No. Remember, if you require no materials, please select No. This allows the adoption to be listed as complete. If the section is no longer offered for this quarter, you can select that option as well. When you need to adopt materials that are not part of a past adoption, use the Add New Materials option. Click Add New Materials to begin. You can search by ISBN, author, or title. Next, choose the correct content type: book, bundle, or courseware. Once you have found the right item, click Add. Complete the item requirements, then click Apply. If the search does not return what you need, you can add it manually. Select Add Manually, choose your material type, and then enter the ISBN. If no results appear, fill in the required details about the title. Once you have added everything you need for your course, it is time to submit your adoption. To do this, hover over the Review and Submit icon in the top right corner and click. On the Review and Submit page, check all your selected materials. You can still make adjustments here and add any notes. Adding a note is optional. If you do not have anything to include, you can skip this step. When everything looks correct, click Submit Adoptions to complete your submission. Once all sections of a course are submitted, that course moves into the Completed Courses list, below any remaining open courses. If you still have courses to adopt for, simply select the next one from the Open Courses list and repeat the process. That's it. For additional assistance, please visit the Triton One website at triton1.ucsd.edu. You can also send an email to textbooks@ucsd.edu. Thank you for making an impact and supporting our students. That's it.